And if you're looking for a quick and easy way to connect your iPhone to your Lexus Factory OEM Mark Levinson sound system, I got a quick and easy solution for you. This gadget will allow you to play all your music from your iPhone right through your mid-2000 Lexus Factory Radio without static or hissing noise. You will be crystal clear, and you will be able to play your music, podcasts, audiobooks, Pandora, news, YouTube, anything that you want to listen to, you'll be able to play it from this device through your factory radio without any sort of modification or a new head unit. Simply connect my device to your iPhone and you'll be able to play all your music through your mid-2000 Lexus radio and play this music. Now listen to the sound quality, okay? The sound quality is CD-like quality, which is better, even better than the local station. Local station from your phone. So this is sound quality is what sets my transmitter apart from other ones.
This product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
You'll get crystal clear sound without any hissing or static, unlike any FM transmitter. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Click on the link below and try my gadget out. I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.